Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Celina Pereira. I love makeup and I'm from Sydney, Australia. Today's video is going to be I tried to follow a makeup tutorial video. So there's this new, I guess, tag challenge kind of video going around where a bunch of people here on YouTube are trying to follow along to other people's YouTube videos and especially makeup tutorials. So basically what we're seeing as a bit of a trend is that people that actually do makeup on YouTube are following non-beauty YouTubers, and those that are non-beauty YouTubers are following beauty YouTubers to do this makeup tutorial situation. So I'm going to be trying to follow along with none other than the amazing, stylish and absolutely fabulous Simply NAILOGICAL, or simply Face Logical, as we're going to be doing today. I am a huge fan of Christine from Simply NAILOGICAL. I think her videos are hilarious. Even though I don't do my nails, I get my nails done, but I just think she's so funny. I love her personality, and I mean, like, hello, who doesn't love everything that's holographic? So I wanted to recreate this look right here, which is this kind of like cool glitter tears kind of a vibe. I've already got my base on, so I'm really excited. I have a bunch of stuff here to try out and use for this look, and I will also leave, like, kind of in this video somewhere, a like box with the video footage going along, and I'm going to be reacting to what I think about her tips and tricks and her steps. I think she's already hilarious and I love her. So Christine, if you're watching this, I love you, you are hilarious, and keep doing you. Now before I get into this video, you guys are probably noticing that this is not my normal background, and I'm so excited to telling you that I'm finally in my new room. I'm going to talk about that a little bit more in another video anyway, but for now I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think of the backdrop in the comment section down below, and also before I get into this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and if you're not, I'm judging you hardcore because it's really not that difficult. It's one click of a button down below, so what are you waiting for? Make sure also to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you want to watch me try to follow along with Simply Face Logical, then please keep on watching.
Hello, it's me, Christine again. Simply Face Logical today. Recently, I've noticed an increase in videos in the beauty community where people draw on their tears. It makes me wonder, beauty community, why are you so sad? Today, I want sadness on my face too, so we're gonna do glitter tears. But not just any glitter tears, hollow glitter tears.
Hello.
So many different colors of hollow glitter right here in front of me. I'm gonna have so much fun crying them out of my face. I've already put some base shit on my face. You'll have to go to someone else's channel for that.
Well, the good thing is that I've got a kind of everyday foundation routine kind of situation video, which I will leave linked down below or in the eye above here. It is a little bit old, so if you guys want me to do another one, then please like this video and I will definitely do one for you guys.
With some brown. Now for the fun part. Colors. Bought this because I saw it making tutorials. Use it all the time. I see a beauty blogger use. I buy what beauty blogger use. I'm gonna start off with this purple.
Well, luckily enough for this video, I definitely have the exact same palette. This is the Juvia's Plays Masquerade palette, and I'm gonna first start off with by using this shade here, which is called BAKERIE, and I'm just going to take that on a Morphe R40 brush and use it as a transition because, you know, Christine did a brown transition shade. Alright, so now we've got our transition shade blended out. Let's go ahead and see what Christine has in store for us next.
It's all over my fucking face again.
Okay, so it looks like she is just going to go ahead and take a purple shadow from the same palette. So the only one that I can probably see her using is the shade here, which is called Makita. Now this is a shimmery shade, so this shouldn't really go in the crease. I'm going to go ahead and take the color Zobo, which is this shade right here. It's a matte shade, so I'm a bit more comfortable using that on the crease. But I'm going to take a Morphe M433 brush. Alright, now that we've got that blended out, let's keep watching Christine.
I'll just blend eyes evenly.
Always the struggle.
Bam! Bam, thank you! This pink is not turning as pink as I want it to be. But oh wait! I saw this video on this channel called Simply NAILOGICAL, and I learned about the eyeshadow applicator. Pat that shit on.
Oh my god. Christine, seriously. So basically what it looks like she's doing is she's just applying a bunch of like purple shades, and then I think she's actually used like Zobo and Caliber on her lid. So I'm going to have to go in with that shade Makita as a kind of crease color. So I'm going to go ahead now and take the shade Makita. I'm going to take the same M433 because I think that'll stay a bit more contained. It actually doesn't look that bad. I think that probably when it's on the eye, and seeing as I'm using like a fluffy brush, I mean, it still looks metallic, but I don't think it looks that bad. Alright, now that I've got that blended out, I'm going to go back and take this shade Zobo that I was using before, the Joseph Colors shader brush, and I'm just going to take that all over the lid and going up into the crease, I think. Oh goodness. Major fallout. But that's okay because we're going to fix that too. And always making sure to blend that as we go, because listen, this is a look. And I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Caliber. I'm going to start off with not applying any Fix Plus. One, because I forgot to get it and I'm not bothered to go up and get it. But also because I just want to see what happens. We'll see. So I'm just going to apply this over that shade. Ooh, girl. She pigmented even without Fix Plus. She's a little bit crumbly, a little bit fallouty. I think I have used this shade before, but I think I only have used it with Fix Plus. I've never used it like on its own. And you know what? I'm so impressed. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and take this bright ass pink shade here, which is called Bori. This one right here. The M433 brush. Pop it here. For this. Oh, that's really cool, actually. Alright, now let's see what else Christine has in store for us.
Oh god.
Yeah, so because we're going to do the teaser now, because obviously she made that mistake, which actually turned out to be legendary, I'm going to go ahead and take that exact same brush, and I'm going to go into Bori, and we're taking it under the eye. And damn, girl, it looked like a pink eye. So I'm going to go ahead and take this stunning icy blue shade here, which is called Zola. So I'm just going to put this. Oh, this is really powdery. I'm getting a lot of fallout with this, but Christine just packs it on there. She kind of doesn't really do much else with it. She doesn't blend it. She just kind of packs it on there. You know, today we're just going for like a really simple look. Like, you know, you can go out and do grocery shopping, you know, meeting the in-laws for the first time. And you know, this pink, I'm like bringing it kind of down the bridge of my nose, and it's giving me like a nose contour, but it's kind of like blending in with everything else. I'm kind of living. Alright, Christine, what else you got?
How cool would this be if I put like blue and purple in my eyebrows?
Christine, I think you should just like leave that one, and because my eyebrows are already done.
It would also help to decide in advance what level of tear you're going for. You know, do you want a boyfriend who dumped you before prom tears? Broke your nail level tears? That one's rough.
Well, for me, I kind of put more like a grungy, smoky kind of a tear. I'm not going for that very like singular kind of stuff. Kind of bring it down into it, almost like a teardrop V shape. So taking Bori, I'm just gonna start taking this down, and as you can see, I'm gonna take it all the way down to like where my nose kind of, like that's where I want like the tip to finish off at. So I'm starting off here, blending it all the way, and then as I'm going down, my zigzags are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. I got a ton of fallout from this, but at the end of the day, I mean, Christine doesn't give a shit about fallout, please. But also, doing these tears, like it kind of softens it up and it actually kind of just like covers it. So I'm not too stressed out about it. But now with Zobo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it a little more in the middle here. So, and I'm not taking it as far down, so I'm just going to kind of like stop around here. And this is just going to give us really just like some shadow, a little bit of dimension. And I'm going to take Makita. And with Makita, I'm keeping it really just in that like eye bag kind of area and not bringing it like further down than like the middle of my nose right here. And if this is not perfect because we are going to cover it with a shit ton of glitter.
I'm really just doing all of these tears so wide and ridiculous to cover up all the purple shit that fell on my face.
Tips with Christine from Simply Face Logical.
Frosty kind of highlight shade, and we're just going to highlight the tears.
Oh, so we're highlighting the tears. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. And I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to take the shades Purple Horse and Pink Heart. And I'm just going to use like a fluffy brush. And I'm going to take both of those. And I'm just going to just apply a little highlight. Now it's for the fun part, which is the glitter, and I have so much glitter. Oh my god, I look so crazy. Like, I'm just like seeing myself in the viewfinder. Oh, she's had a rough day. We're gonna go ahead now and take some glitter, some sparkle, all that kind of business.
Use a little eyeshadow applicator to stick on the eyelid.
So I'm just gonna take a bunch of glitters and just like start kind of playing around. So I think I'm first gonna take these two glitters from the MAC and Trolls collection, and I'm gonna use like always my Sephora 24-hour glitter guard. This is my favorite glitter glue. Into the glitter glue first. And I'm just going to, I guess, start dotting that all over, like where I kind of want this glitter to sit. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a mix of, I'm going to dab into both of them. I'm just going to start to press those underneath the eye and traveling down. M510 brush is the brushes that I used to highlight with. And I'm just going to just dust off any of the excess, because I'm going to start applying thicker chunks of glitter and like thicker pieces. So then I want to go ahead and take this glitter from Urban Decay. This is the Heavy Metal Glitter Liner, and this one's in the shade Catcall. This, because it's also like a glitter liner, it's got like a slightly stickiness to it. It's also going to help for the glitter that we're going to lay on top to, I guess, stick. I mean, you definitely don't have to use all these products. You can definitely use whatever you like. So while this is still tacky, I'm going to go ahead and use the hollow. So the hollow glitter that I have is this one here from NYX, and this one is in the shade Crystal, and it's real hollow. Christine, I know you'd be judging right now, but it's real hollow, and I think that I have to prove it to show you in the lid. You can see that is some real hollow situation going on right there. NYX is so far the only brand that actually makes real hollow. Apply that over the top, and this is not going to peek through too much, but listen, we needed to apply it. It needed to be there. The hollow needed to come through, baby. Now I want that kind of more like point kind of going down here. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a little bit of that hollow glitter and I'm just kind of making it a bit more of a point. Now the last little bits of glitter that I wanted to use are these chunky glitters, and these are from the brand In Your Dreams. I love their glitters. They make chunky glitters, they make more fine glitters, and you can find these at Mecca here in Australia. So that we've got the In Your Dreams cosmetic glitter in the shade Pink Flamingo, which is a stunning pink, and then we've also got the shade Purple Unicorn, which is this one right here. So same thing, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the base, but I'm going to do now one eye at a time. And then I'm just going to dunk my brush straight into that glitter, and whatever it picks up on the brush, I'm just going to take that straight onto my under eyes. Apply a bit more base, and then just apply the pink one over top, because the pink one is in like really big chunks. And with the pink one, you could even use like tweezers, or use like your finger. Okay, oh wow, okay, that, oh. Just don't poke your eye with your nails if you've got nails like me. Okay, cool, wow, that looks amazing. So again, I always just like to go ahead and just dust off any excess glitter. I don't vibe with these two, these are here and they're not welcome. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye of camera, and I will be right back. Alright, so to finish off this look, I just went ahead and applied some Lily Lash in the Style Mickiness. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lips. This is the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in the shade Berries on Ice. Alright, so that is the shade Berries on Ice on the lips. I think it looks amazing. I think this look is complete. Now, let's round up our final thoughts on this look with Christine herself.
So, 10 out of 10 would cry hollow glitter again. TBH, I'm kind of living for this. I want to die for this look. I mean, no, I'm living. Which one is it? And cue the montage.
Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. All in all, I actually love doing this video. I think this was a really cool challenge. I don't know who came up with it, and that's something also that I think I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, is that I don't know who started this video. I've seen a few people do it. I guess who inspired me to do this video was Jeffree Star did Tana Mojo's makeup, Tana Mojo did Jeffree's makeup, and then Jenna Marbles did James Charles makeup, and then prior to all of this, Thomas, I don't know what his last name, but I will leave his video down below. He did Jeffree Star's makeup. Let me know down below who you think started this like challenge video situation. But I really enjoyed this. I thought it was really fun. I actually really love the way that the look turned out. I think it's really cool. I think you could use it for festivals, for Halloween or Halloween, sorry. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and be sure to turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on anything that I post. Also be sure to follow me on my other social medias. My name is Celina J.Pereira on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook and Pinterest. And you guys, that is basically it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on my next one. Love you guys. Mwah.